A lot of people wonder about inserts, like what inserts should I put in my subscription box? So I wanted to show you what we do at Sparkle Hustle Grow, just to give you a little bit of inspiration. In the past, we have purchased from Vistaprint and ordered their 5x7, 6x9 cards, but through the years, we realized that was too many loose items, and we felt that they would oftentimes get thrown away. So we changed to this little booklet. They call it a booklet on Vistaprint. So I have a 6x9 by 3 inch box. So we use the 5.5 by 8.5 inch booklet. They do also have an 8.5 by 11 booklet. The You have a couple of different options as far as like matte or glossy. We use the budget matte inside. That makes it easy to write on with a pen. And then budget glossy on the cover just makes it look shiny and fresh and really nice print. For us, we have 16 pages, and I'm going to walk through each one so you can see what we put in there. Each one has the same format. So we can design it on Canva and use the same template over and over and over. We do change up some things. So we put the theme and the month, and I envision everyone putting these in their office, maybe on their bookshelf for future reference. But we change out this picture here so that it kind of goes along with the theme. Second and third page, we have a little welcome message from myself. This has some information about that month's plan or that month's theme and what we're going to be talking about. I change out this photo every time too, so that it just is fresh every single time. The first thing we want them to do is know how to use the product. So we give them this take action checklist, and it's 5 items. The first is always listen to a podcast. This is a business subscription box, so we want to give them something really easy to do and have success right away. Then we tell them about the member hub where they can find their training. We encourage them to do something with one of their products. That helps them pick up the product, use it, and maybe even share pictures of it. We tell them about the book club that we have in our private Facebook group, and then we encourage them to post boxes where they can to post pictures of their boxes or videos of their boxes where they can earn a referral fee. Where we can, we put these QR codes that allows them to get really quick access to things like the podcast. On the next page, we want to encourage them to take advantage of all the membership benefits. So especially if they're new, they might not know that they have all of these benefits. So we want to point that out to them, as well as the community. Again, we are using a QR code to make it really easy to go directly to the community. That way you can just pick up your phone and use the photo function. It will pop a link up so you can go right there. And then we put our packing list. We want to make sure that everyone knows everything in the box, make sure they're not missing anything. If they're not sure what it is, we give a little description about it. And we do put the retail value. In my opinion, this prevents them from running straight to Amazon to see how much they could have gotten it there, because you and I both know you're not going to get full retail value at Amazon. So we put the retail value right there. And then on this page, we have an exclusive members only deal. So again, this is all templated. We just change things out. We change out the date, we change out the products here. Every single month with our members only deal, this stays at the top. We just change out something so that they get a perk that the general public doesn't. Next in our book, we feature a guest expert every single month. So again, this is a business box, and we have a business training each month. So we want to make sure that we put this person on stage, show their picture, give their bio, and talk a little bit about the training. And then we provide them with a couple of pages of notes. On pages 12 and 13, we talk about the book of the month. So we like to include a little image of it if possible, a little bit about it to get them excited. And then we have a bookmark here. Now, typically, this has a chapter 1 by September 1st and chapter 2 by September 7th. It has a recommended reading schedule so that they can stay on track with the book. They check it off and they're done with the book by the end of the month. Now, this one's a little different. This particular month, we are doing dot journaling. So instead, we have a little reading tracker where you can color in a shape every time you try a different dot journaling suggestion. So it's a little different, but we have this little line here to indicate cut it out. It is not actually perforated, but we do have a dotted line there to make it seem and appear as though it's perforated. Then we have a little bit of more notes for the book, and we talk about our partner program where you can earn 10% for referring new members. And then on the back cover, we always have some sort of quote that goes along with the theme of the month. And our subscribers love this because they oftentimes will cut them out and hang them on their wall or put them in a frame. And so this kind of not only creates the back page and an inspirational quote, but it's useful. They'll actually use it in their office. So that's what we do with Sparkle Hustle Grow. Hopefully that gives you a little bit of inspiration and helps you answer the question, what should I put in my inserts? And again, we use Vistaprint. I will include some special links below this video so you can potentially get some discounts on the vendors we use. Again, we design it in Canva and we print on Vistaprint.